सबसे पहले तो वो मेरी मामा को अरेस्ट करके ले गए हैं, उसके बाद मेरे पापा को और हमें सबको ले गए।
The couple was wrongly convicted in 2014 under Pakistan's blasphemy laws. They spent over 7 years on death row. They were not even safe within the prison.
हमारे सामने मेरे पापा को उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा मारा। काफ़ी 10-15 पुलिस वाले थे जो उनके इर्द गिर्द खड़े थे। और उन्होंने कहा कि ये जुर्म आप कबूल करें। उन्हें निचला हिस्सा तो उनका पैरालाइज था, तो उन्हें वहाँ पर तो चोट नहीं लगती थी। उन्होंने मुंह पर मारा, काफ़ी गन्स से उन्होंने जो बट होते हैं वो कमर में, ज़बरदस्ती कहा कि हम आपकी जो सी बीवी है उसको उसके ऊपर उनका गलत इस्तेमाल करेंगे। मामा भी रो रहे थे, हम भी रो रहे थे, पर उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है, आप जो लिखना है लिख लें, ये मेरी बीवी से बढ़कर मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं है।
Have to undergo very extensive preparation for the case. Most of the time one is under pressure, everybody is against you, particularly these rightist extremists. They had issued on Twitter and Facebook that I should be killed and things like that. Numbers of Christians is very small. The great majority are the Shia, the Ahmadis and the normal Muslims.
Pakistan's blasphemy laws have often been misused to settle petty and personal score and have resulted in violence against those accused under the law, but even those who defend them. The blasphemy laws violate international norms and Pakistan's own commitments to fundamental rights and freedoms.
जी, हमने बहुत ज़्यादा खुदा का शुक्र किया, बहुत खुश हुए और बहुत शुक्रियागुज़ार हूँ मैं जज का, पाकिस्तान की गवर्नमेंट का, सैफुल मलूक साहब का, कि उन्होंने हमें इंसाफ दिलाया।
Shagufta and Shafkat case, the judgment is much better in substance than of Asia Bibi's case.
This judgment sets a precedent for how electronic evidence should be evaluated.
A lot of people who are accused by blasphemy by sending SMS, they'll be now soon released, I'm sure.
Though Shagufta and Shafkat's appeal lingered for many years, it was finally due to the resolution of the European Union condemning the blasphemy laws and naming this particular case that finally resulted in this appeal being heard. Their release and safe passage out of Pakistan will finally allow them to be reunited with their children. No one should suffer as Shagufta and Shafkat did, and it is imperative that Pakistan take urgent steps to repeal these blasphemy laws.